Welcome back to our channel on medical education. Today we'll explore an important protective structure of the heart, the pericardium, also known as the pericardial sac. We'll break down its anatomy, layers and key functions, so by the end you will have a clear understanding of how it supports the heart. The pericardium is a double-walled sac that surrounds the heart and the roots of the great vessels. Think of it as a protective bag that holds the heart in place while allowing it to beat efficiently. The pericardium has two main components, fibrous pericardium and the serous pericardium. Fibrous pericardium. This is the outer tough layer made of dense connective tissue. Its functions are, it anchors the heart to surrounding structures such as the diaphragm, sternum and great vessels. It prevents overstretching of the heart and also provides a strong protective covering. Serous pericardium. This is a thin double-layered membrane inside the fibrous sac. It has two layers, parietal layer which lines the inner surface of the fibrous pericardium and the visceral layer also called the epicardium which directly covers the surface of the heart. Between these two layers lies the pericardial cavity which contains a small amount, about 15 to 50 ml of serous fluid. This fluid acts like a lubricant, reducing friction as the heart beats continuously within the sac. Functions of the pericardium. Number 1, protection. It shields the heart from infections and physical shocks. Number 2, anchoring. It holds the heart in its anatomical position, preventing displacement. Number 3, lubrication. The serous fluid minimizes friction between the heart and surrounding tissues during contraction and relaxation. Number 4, prevents overfilling. The fibrous pericardium limits excessive dilation of the heart chambers during times of high venous return. Number 5, facilitates smooth movements. It ensures the heart beats in a low friction environment. The diagram on the right shows how the pericardium supports and protects the heart and great vessels in the mediastinum. Clinical conditions related to the pericardium. Pericarditis. It is the inflammation of the pericardium, often causing sharp chest pain. Pericardial effusion. Excess fluid in the pericardial cavity which can impair cardiac function. The illustration on the right shows excessive accumulation of fluid in the pericardial cavity. Cardiac tamponade, a life-threatening condition where fluid accumulation compresses the heart, restricting its ability to pump blood. To wrap up, remember that the pericardium is not just a covering of the heart, it's a vital structure that protects, stabilizes and supports the heart in every beat, from anchoring the heart in place to preventing overfilling and ensuring frictionless movements. Its role is indispensable. Understanding its anatomy and clinical significance is key for anyone studying the cardiovascular system. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more medical education videos.